Welcome to feeds.de, the most comprehensive online learning system for the grandMA3. This basic course deals with the basic functions of the console and the most important parts of the advantage show programming. Real-life situations are the basis to present the individual functions. The course is not only limited to the functionality of the software, it also gives practical tips on desk organization and handling lightning tasks. Using the accompanying documents and show files, you work step by step on the programming of a stage show and thus get an insight into the working methods of the professionals. The basic training package consists of 4 courses. The first course is free for registered users. Registration is also free and does not include any further obligations. Each of the 4 courses consists of up to 16 individual lessons. Each lesson consists of a video, some of which are interactive. If this symbol appears during a video, you can click on it and solve a task. In some lessons, there are downloads with tasks or show files. Each lesson also provides written information on the topic. A final quiz is used to check your performance. If you have successfully completed the course, you will receive an award that depends on the numbers of points earned. If you have completed all 4 courses, you will receive a certificate with your own level of knowledge. So, good luck and have fun learning!